In this video, I'm going to show you 5 easy fixes so you can restore normal lumbar curve. Welcome back, I'm Adam Cox, and today we're looking at 5 stretches, exercises or mobilizations that are going to help restore neutral lumbar curve and correct that flat back posture. Before we do that though, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button so that you can receive future content like this going forwards, and if you hit the bell as well, you'll also be notified when the videos come out. Let's get into these 5 exercises, stretches and mobilizations so that you can correct that posture. So what is this flat back posture that I keep talking about? Well, flat back posture is defined as a curvature that has less than 30 degrees of concave curvature between about here and here in the back. That is approximately your lumbar spine. When we're working with people, we would obviously measure that, but at home you can do a simple little test on yourself. So to test yourself at home, stand up against the wall and place your palm between your back and the wall. And what should happen is the thickest part of your palm should wedge in between your back and the wall. If you find that you can't quite get there, or you can only get your fingertips in, that would be indicative of having a flat lower back. And these exercises and stretches and mobs that we're going to show you are going to be perfect to help you with that. Laying face down on the ground with your lower body relaxed, begin to push yourself away from the floor. Breathe out as you do so and keep the glutes relaxed. Only go as far as you can to keep the hip in contact with the ground, and increase your range of motion as you complete 10 to 12 reps. With the 90-90 hip stretch, with the legs set up at a 90-degree angle, maintain a neutral spine. Begin the stretch by leaning forwards from the hip joint, therefore stretching the glutes. Take a pinch of skin in the lower back at belly button level to ensure you're maintaining this neutral spine, and hold each side for 60 seconds. The waiter's bow. Again, like the 1990 hip flexor stretch we just did, take a pinch of skin at the lower back to maintain a neutral spine. Keep the legs straight and bend forwards at the hip. As you'll do that, you're getting a nice hamstring stretch. And hold this position for 20 seconds, come back out, and then back in and repeat 3 to 4 times. Next we have the prone jackknife. So feet on the ball in a push-up position, take a deep belly breath in. Draw the belly button in towards the spine and hold the deep abdominals in as you extend the legs out behind you. Maintain a neutral spine, therefore there's no change in spinal position, and hold for 2 seconds and then breathe out as you return the legs to the start position. Build up to doing 3 sets of 10 reps. Finally, the trunk and hip extension. Face down on the ground with your arms out at 45 degrees. Begin by drawing the belly button in towards the spine. Lift yourself up off the ground, keeping the arms high and the knees straight, so lifting from the hip. And hold this position for 20 seconds, then lower and rest for 10, repeating 3 to 4 reps like this, and slowly build yourself up to 3 sets. If you spend any time in your day sat down at a desk or even on the sofa, for example, then it's my guess that you've got some element of the flat back posture that these elements that we've gone through today are needed for. So give them a go and let me know how you get on. Also, if you haven't already, please do hit subscribe so you can receive the future videos, and look forward to seeing you again soon.